come with me.
We are here in Kilembe, Uganda, here with Tamir and North. And we came here yesterday.
Yeah, we made it to the base camp. We got fitted with some rubber boots and climbing technical equipment, and we're ready to go.
We are ready to climb Mount Rwenzori. Stanley Mountain is the highest mountain, and we are aiming for the high peak, Margherita Peak. You can see here that we're gonna go somewhere towards this direction. Behind these hills should be the high mountains that we are aiming for. This is an 8 days trek, 5,100 meter Margherita Peak. You get to climb here often, maybe every other week, or how often do you get to climb the mountain yourself?
2 times a month.
Okay,
Yeah,
so you're in a good shape.
sure.
Yeah, we are in this Kilembe village.
Yeah, this is still Kilembe.
Kilembe. You can see our porters ahead with our backpacks, and the village of Kilembe easy going here. You can see these lines of eucalyptus. That's the border between the farmland and the national park. And we are just about to enter the park and the forest. Let's go. How are the water?
Wow, very, very cold.
Cold and fresh, and but they're good for drinking.
Right, right.
So the guides actually provide us with boiled water, but I would say normally there's no real reason to use it because
Yeah, you can drink it from the rivers, from the waterfalls, fresh. Wow, we can see the monkeys from here.
wow. Let's see. Close up.
Every day we arrive to our camps, which were always yellow, and they're yellow so you can recognize them from far away and not get lost.
Hey, Nofi.
Hi! So now we arrived at our camp. We started the day at the farming area and slowly climbed our way just in time for a little bit of relaxation before dinner.
Yeah. And on the way we went to this fantastic forest, rainforest. We saw some monkeys, many birds. It was a little bit tough, but
we're getting used to it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Look at our new boots. We got these rubber boots for the hike today in the mud. So we're ready to go dancing with our new boots.
Here we're entering the bamboo zone.
Yeah, there are actually 4 or 5 zones in the park Rwenzori. We started yesterday with the rainforest. Now we are up to the level of the bamboo. You will later see the heather zone and the Afro-Alpine zone, and finally towards the peak the glacier zone.
Yeah, really nice for it is good for the monkeys as well.
So this begonia is actually edible. Sour. You can see the Mlampuri River here and the remains of the mudslides that took place here a few years ago. Here we are entering the heather zone, which is also called the cloud forest zone.
And there's an interesting thing that grows on top of the tree. It's called the old man's beard, probably because the way it looks.
Yeah, it's a kind of a lichen. Hey, we are in Kalalama camp, and this is 3,100 meters. We had a steep climb from down, and now we are in what is called the header zone. And this tree that you see over here, these are the header trees. And also this is the last point of the cellular signal, so everybody is making the most of it for the next 6 days without signal. So because of the mud and the difficult terrain and the floods, the park authority actually are building boardwalks that are covering long stretches inside the park.
It's a really difficult task. So each porter carries, I would assume, between 4 to 5 blocks of wood.
Yeah.
And it takes them several months to complete such a boardwalk, and it's a hard way, long way.
Yeah, they're going uphill with this wood, so it's a very difficult, but it's gonna take still many years, I think, until they finish all these walks.
So now we are having lunch from our lunch boxes in the Luberial garden.
Lubelia, okay, show me what you got in the box.
We got a banana,
Looks good.
an apple, and a toast.
Great. Wow, we are in this Lubelia garden, it's called, this area here, because there are many Lubelia plants. That's the Lubelia. Typical for high altitude, from 3,000 to about 4,000. Here you can look at the young one, how it looks. And also the sun came out after all the mud we had to go through. This is really the break we needed for. Just look beautiful surrounding of this garden. Natural garden.
Welcome to Mutinda camp. This is Ukabin. Behind this, the toilets. Otherwise, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We arrived here in this camp, complete fog. You could barely see the huts. But now we got warm drinks to revive ourselves.
Yes.
Chai and coffee and
Chocolate.
wow. Wow. What a transformation.
Sunbathing.
Yeah. We arrived here 2 o'clock. It was fog. We could barely see the huts here. And now 2 hours later, sun is out and we can see that this camp is actually situated here. Beautiful, between beautiful cliffs high above there. And all the way up here to this cliff here. Fantastic. Today we are going to go to Bugata camp. That's actually quite high already. It's 4,000 meters. And we are going to cross also some more boardwalks.
We could not have done this trek without our porters.
Yeah, these guys and actually also one girl, they were carrying up to 30 Ks on the back with food, supplies, etc.
So thank you so much, porters.
It's still more than an hour walk until we can have a proper rest. Let's do it! So today is one of the longest day, and actually a very tough one.
And the weather didn't help us.
Yeah, we had clouds and later we had rains, you will see later.
We had to go up 500 meters to Bamwanjara Pass just to go down all this way.
To the other side. Yeah. Yeah, so we gained the altitude and went back. All in all, very tough day. Wow, look at the fantastic view behind me. No, just joking. We are in Bamwanjara Pass, 4,450 meters high, and that's the highest point for day number 4. It's pretty high, a little bit tough with the oxygen here, but we made it all the way. And the good news is that from here, it's all downhill from here for today. Okay, we are getting a first glimpse of Mount Stanley, though it's covered in clouds, but we can see a little bit the glaciers already on the top peaks over there. Still a long way to go. Hey, good morning. Day number 5. Today weather is a little bit better. We reached this beautiful lake here, and we are planning to ascend here between the two mountains, Mount Stanley and Mount Baker. I don't think you can actually capture it, but we're gonna have a steep climb today. 500 meters. We reach the base camp, Margherita Camp, which is going to be our base camp for ascending the peak tomorrow.
This is the drainage. This one is the toilet. I'm sure I've seen your bags now. Put them inside there. This main is we will have next day. Yeah.
Hey Nofi, how are you doing?
I'm all right. We're just getting ready now to summit tomorrow. We're getting fitted with crampons and a little bit of an exercise with the ropes and with our guides. And hopefully it will help us reach the summit tomorrow stronger and better.
Being fitted with the harness. Wow.